you are facing the Steam API DLL missing error on your PC, simply follow this video to learn how to fix it. Hey, you are watching Silicophilic, where we help you solve tech issues. Steam API DLL missing error basically appears when the DLL file is somehow deleted from the installation folder or was corrupted during installation. When this happens, the best way you can fix it is by reinstalling Steam. There are plenty of solutions online that shows how you can download the DLL file and replace it. But it's definitely a safety hazard to do that, and we recommend you to not do it. Before we get into the solutions, subscribe to our channel for future tech support. Also, like this video if it helps you solve this issue. Here is how you can reinstall Steam. Type Control Panel in the Windows search bar and open it. Change the view by to large icons. Click on Programs and Features. Look for Steam among the listed apps and click on it. Select Uninstall. Now, just follow the on-screen instructions to uninstall it. Now, visit Steam's official website and install Steam again. This should solve the Steam API DLL missing error. So, that's it. If this video has helped you in figuring this issue, then give us a like and subscribe to our channel. We also have a Facebook group of troubleshooting experts where you can share your tech issues and get direct help. The link to the group is in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching Silicophilic.